What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sam here, and in today's video I got a cool little upgrade slash maintenance item that you could be putting on your JK. So stick around, stay tuned, and let's get into the video. All right, everybody, so this is the thing that we're going to be installing today. This is the Synergy Manufacturing Jeep rear upper shock mount bar pin eliminator kit. These little brackets right here and all these bolts from Synergy Manufacturing. They go, and we'll get underneath here. I've already started getting all the tools and stuff and PB blasting this stuff apart. But as you can see here, in the last video I found out that my bar pin, which is that thing right here, is broken. Let's see, can I get the camera in there? Yes. It's broken. So my shock is literally doing that maneuver. It's pretty much dented into the relief here for the shock tower, or the shock mount. So that bar pin kit will eliminate that and put it with a grade 8 bolt instead of a little bar pin thing. So we're gonna attempt here to take all this off here on both sides. Both sides are broken. This one right here is broken. We're gonna attempt to remedy this. Look, this one's almost off. So we're gonna attempt to remedy this with the Synergy, move the camera here, Synergy upper shock mount bar pin eliminator kit. So it comes with everything. Comes with your 2 powder coated brackets, your hardware, little hardware here, and yeah. So let's try to get this off. I had to pull everything out of here so I can work. Turn it over here and shut this door. All right, so let's set you up and see if we can do this. Okay, so we're underneath here. I got my sockets and I'm ready to go. I think I'm gonna take the bottom off first, and then I only have to take one bolt off, but I gotta take both of them out anyways to get the shock out, to put the eliminator kit back in there. So set you down here and we'll see how much of a struggle this is gonna be. Hopefully not that bad, but we'll see. All right, everybody, it is the actual next day here. I spent about an hour yesterday from the previous video that you just saw trying to get my lower shock bolt off. Couldn't get it. All I had was hand tools and this little 18 volt impact here. Couldn't get it. So I went today to the Home Depot and picked up this Milwaukee fuel with the 18 volt with the nut buster feature here, nut busting feature there, and didn't even put it on the nut buster, put it on level 3 and it came right off. So, you know, when you have the right tools, it makes the job a lot easier. So yeah, it's kind of windy today, so if you get a little wind noise, that's why. But yeah, we're gonna get these shocks off, get the Synergy plates to replace it, everything, and then we're gonna button it up. So let me set you up here and show you what's going on. All right, see, we are underneath here. I gotta took this off from here, which was a bear. Now I just gotta get these 2 bolts off up here and these ones off here. Can't really see because there's no light. There it is. Boom, boom, and then we'll take these. I'll get a screwdriver in here and push this up so I can get this out. Oh, who is this messaging me? Let's get this inside one first. If I can get this whole deal up in here. That might be the problem. This is a wow. That out of the way. That's not being used. What broke? Oh, that's the old thing here. All right, then we get my screwdriver and still got a lot of pressure on it. Okay, that is off. Wow, look what it's done to the shock. Wow. Can you get a close-up of that, guys? Hold on to me. Wow. It's ate the aluminum body. Wow. Not good. Not good, not good at all. All right, let's get this other one out. This is the side that's broken on this one. I can get away with not using the extension. Huh. Side's a little bit more cramped. All right, so we got this Synergy thing here. It's this little plate. Put your grade 8 bolt in here. Gets rid of these. Where'd they go? Ah, these pins. So that, yeah, that. So you got to get up in here, and I didn't do a very good job videoing because I had to get the pins out of these holes, out of these bushings and stuff. So anyway, I kind of got this one started like out here. This one started, you put one in here, one in here, so we're gonna get that. And then you gotta do the same thing over here, one in here, one in here, right here, and then we'll get it done. So it's gonna take me a while. I don't have I had these all by hand. I don't actually have a Allen socket, so I gotta do these all by hand with Allen head. So I will get back to you whenever we are finished.
Eventually.
All right, it's been a little bit of a while since the last time I I've been trying to get this done and it's not happening. These little things I can't get, I got them up in there to sit, but when they're up in there to sit, I can't get the bolt to go into the actual bracket because I'm gonna hit my head on here where the how this is shaped. Bracket sits like this and you can't get it in there because of this right here. Like you have to, like, I don't know, have to cut a relief or something. I don't know, it doesn't work either way, so you can't even tighten up your thing all the way, and I don't know. I had it halfway done and it wasn't gonna do good. Luckily I figured this was gonna happen and I ordered a set of just replacement bar pins. So that's what we're gonna do. I've already got this one in there. I'm gonna put this one in the other one and just go back to the other way, and then maybe later try to figure out how to do that. But for right now, that's what I'm doing. So whenever I have it completed, because I'm about to run out of battery, I will get back to you. So stay tuned.
Later.
As I was saying before I was cut off by the GoPro here, got this Daytona jack here. Good deal on that. Floor jack. I need to throw the box away. Anyways, so couldn't figure out how to do this, and I had to figure out how to do this real quick because it's about to start raining and stuff, and it's going to be really cold tomorrow. So I just ended up getting those bar pins that I bought separately because I knew something like this was going to happen, and put those guys in there. So basically it's the same as it was before, and I flipped my shocks around because I was told that they were backwards before, which I don't think it really matters, but yeah. So anyways, the real hero of the day was that Milwaukee impact that I bought, which is inside. I already took it inside, so yeah. But we're done. So clean up here, go inside. Hat's a mess, hands are a mess, figure out where I'm going to put that thing, and yeah. Alright, so I want to thank everybody for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate the people who have subscribed. Hopefully in a couple days we'll be having a new vehicle in the fleet. Working on a overland build, something to compete with the 4Runners and the Lexus GXs and stuff like that. Maybe, hopefully, in a couple days. So look out for that video. But yeah, that way we don't have to keep using this thing every day. Something with a V8 this time too. V8 power. But yeah, oh yeah, and also too, gonna do a video on changing up these wheels. As you can see, they are pitted pretty bad, especially the B-lock wheels. And then this wheel is pretty bad too. But I got something coming for those, so check out that video when it comes out. But anyways, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there, guys. Later.